Good morning. It's Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk. If you are interested in automatic trading, then watch this video to the end because this is truly an amazing way to trade full automatic. It is March 11th, 2025, 12:02 p.m. and change Pacific time. That means it's afternoon, doesn't it? So good afternoon to you all. Okay, so let's take a look at the trade that we took fully automatic today. We're trading the MNQ, the micro future of the NASDAQ index. Beginning account size, one contract on a micro, okay? One contract on a micro today. What was our result? 790 ticks on one micro, okay? Account size for this, NinjaTrader recommends for initial margin on the MNQ to be 2,400. Day trade margin, as you know, much less than that. Okay, but initial margin is always a good rule of thumb to have in your account when you're trading any of these type of instruments. Okay, so that's the way I do it. And so amazing, 790 ticks. Let's take a look at the trades that we took fully automatic. This is a daily candlestick. What are all these lines right here? Well, I thought it'd be fun. I'm going to show it to you. I thought it'd be fun to run a fib extension, Fibonacci extension, on this double top right here on the daily chart. This is a daily chart. Each candlestick represents one day. I ran a fib on that from the the lowest high to the bottom of the middle, okay? And then had extensions down here. As you can see, we didn't quite make the 100% yet, okay? That's usually a big hint, all right? As opposed to if you were to run fibs from this double bottom right here, you would see that we made almost exactly the 100% at this point up here, right in here, okay? So that would be for the long side, which we did. Now for the short side, we're almost to the 100%, okay? Just an interesting thing to keep in mind, all right? Also, another thing I like to look at on a daily chart is a gap fill. Do you see this gap right here between where we closed and opened right here? There was a gap, okay? So that gap, you can see over here, we easily filled that at the 50% level and tried to push off. All right, so just interesting stuff. We're going to say goodbye to that right now. Just showing you the state of the market, not really making any other comments besides that. Okay, so let's take a look at the trades we took automatically. All right, I'm going to scroll back in time. We'll say goodbye to the daily candlestick. I'm scrolling back in time. And by the way, you know, this is sort of a beginning futures account size, okay? So for a beginner, this is one of the things that you could reach on a as a daily max goal on a beginning size account, okay? Of course, 2,400, 397, that's better than 10%, okay? It's almost, I don't know, what is it, 15%? Maybe even a little better than that. I'm scrolling back in time. We're on a volume bar today. That means here we go. There's so many of them, it's hard to control. Okay, there's so many volume bars. Also, I'm in a remote computer. You can see two sets of icons here. So I'm trading in my rack today at a remote location, all right? So this is the way the trades went today. Last night, almost 1 a.m. You can see the 1 a.m. level here. Again, this is a volume bar that we're on today. Each bar represents a certain amount of volume. Just before 1 a.m., we went long, okay? And that was a good trade. You can see the target right there. Then we were flat between here and here. Then we went short, okay? That was also a good trade, wasn't it? So we went long, then we went short. Fully automatic the way I had it programmed. The entries are automatic. The exits are automatic. The daily P&L is automatic. All this is automatic, all right? So once you set it, so I click enable trading right there, and then it's fully automatic after I set it. Okay, so let's see. There we hit target, a very nice target in price. Then price climbed, right, after we got out of our short. And then automatically we took a long, and that was a beautiful long. We took our target right there. All right, so that was our automatically stopping at our daily max P&L, which gave us better than 790 ticks on the MNQ. Well, you ask, could you trade more than one MNQ? Yeah, you can. If you have the right account size and risk level. Can you trade an NQ, which is 10 times this? The same way? Yes, you can. Can you trade more than one NQ, which is multiples and multiples of this? Yes, you can, according to your account size and your risk level and your experience, okay? And what your trading rules are. All right, so that was it. Fire close daily max goal. Before I even woke up this morning, that's what I woke up to, because as you can see, 4:40 a.m. Pacific time, I was out. Okay, so it's March 11th, 2025, 12:08 Pacific time, 12:09 daily price over here on the MNQ. By the way, rollovers next week. Okay, so this is the last week of this contract. We're trading the MNQ 325. Okay, if you're interested in this software, get a hold of tradeauto.com. They're the ones that sell this automatic trading software. They've been very good to me, and I don't mind plugging them at all. Okay, as you can see, when was the last time, if you trade futures, by the way, you can trade any instrument that you can trade in NinjaTrader with this program. Okay, so it's not just futures, not just the NQ or the MNQ or the ES or the MES or the YM or the MYM or GC or any of the, you can trade anything you can trade in NinjaTrader that you can get a chart on, you can trade with this program. All right, so amazing automatic trading again today. One happy trader here. The results and the ticks speak for themselves.